How to activate GCash MasterCard online. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to activate your GCash MasterCard online. If you've recently reviewed or received your GCash MasterCard and want to start using it for online purchases, ATM withdrawals or more, this tutorial is for you, so let's get started. Before you can activate your GCash MasterCard, you need to have an active GCash account. If you haven't registered for one yet, simply download the GCash app and open it. Once you've registered and logged into your GCash account, open the GCash app on your phone. From the GCash app home screen, tap on View All Services at the bottom of your screen to see a list of all services. Scroll down and find GCash MasterCard under the card section. Tap on it to continue with the activation process. Once you've selected GCash MasterCard, you'll see the option to activate now. Simply tap on that button to begin activating your card. You'll be now prompted to enter your GCash MasterCard number and the card's expiration date, which you'll find on the front of your physical card. Make sure to double check the details before entering them. Now you'll be asked to select a 4-digit PIN for your card. This PIN will be used for ATM withdrawals and online purchases, so choose something secure but easy for you to remember. After entering your details and setting your PIN, tap on the Activate button. You'll receive a confirmation message once your GCash MasterCard has been successfully activated. And that's it. Now you can use it for online transactions, ATM withdrawals, and in-store purchases wherever MasterCard is accepted.